Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm showing you today my CVS shopping using coupons. So this week they have on the Wet and Wild, they have a deal on spend 10, get $7 back. And then they don't have any coupons available, but I guess for me it's a good deal. So I bought 3 items. We have the first one is 5.29, and this next is 4.49. The next lipstick is 2.79. So with these 3 items, the total is 12.57, and I have a CVS coupon that if I spend 12, I get $3 off. So from 12.57 minus $3 off, that makes it 9.57. And since I qualify with spend 10 get 7, so from 9.57 minus the $7 back I got, this is only for 3 items. I only paid $2.57 or 85 cents per item. Okay, so this is the $7 back I told you. 7 extra bucks rewards for spending 10 on Wet and Wild cosmetics. So this is considered as CVS money. You can grab anything at the store, at CVS store, and you can pay with this. Okay, I hope that's clear. So that is my first deal. The next deal I had is on this panty liner, the CVS brand, because I have a coupon that if I buy 2, I got $2 off. So this is, how many count is 20? Okay, 20 wrapped panty liners. So the price is $1.29. So times 2, we have $2.58, and I had $2 off, so that makes this 58 cents or 29 cents per pack. That's a wonderful deal for me. The next item I grabbed is on this crest. The original price for this at CVS, I guess, is $4.49 per pack, and this this week they're on sale $3 per pack. Okay, and the deal is spend 2, you get, oh no, buy 2, you get $3 back. And I have a CVS coupon for the sensitive type, or the one, I got $2 off for this, and for the regular one I have $1 off. I used it both. So this is $3, $3, $6 minus, as I've said, $2 coupon, and I have $1 coupon. So that makes this to $3. And since I buy 2, I get $3 back. So it's free items for me. I hope you follow. So this is the extra bucks I got from buying 2. See? So for this shopping alone, I earned $10 back. That is my free items this week. Next deal is on this Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for 32 loads, sensitive skin. So as I've said, I posted the same video at Walgreens, and they have the same deal for this week. $1.98 on sale from regular price 5 something. So we have, as I've said, $1.98, and I use $1 coupon, so that makes this 98 cents. This coupon is still available online. You just go to the coupon.com, and you can print. I printed 3 for this one because they have 3 different item or description. So I printed 3. So I use 1 for this, and I use digital at Walgreens. Okay. So that's our haul for CVS today, guys. And for those for Filipino out there who are in the US, go to your CVS and grab these items. There's so many good deals right now at CVS and Walgreens, but as I've said in the past, I only coupon on the items I use or I feel like I can send to the Philippines to share with my relatives, family, or friends. Okay? So that's it for today, and enjoy your shopping. May and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.